Welcome to the Tech Pro Max channel. Chinese blogger IO Technology has created the world's first iPhone with a retractable camera, USB-C port, and a Touch ID scanner on the back. He turned the newly introduced third-generation iPhone SE into the Apple Mix 2.0. First, the blogger 3D printed a custom case that resembled the original Xiaomi Mi Mix, but with an iPhone 13 Pro camera until and an Apple logo on the back. The engineer then designed a special pop-up selfie camera mechanism, and he placed the fingerprint scanner in one of the camera's eyes. Apparently, IO Technology was waiting for just such an update to the iPhone SE in 2022. And not having received it from Apple, decided to upgrade the smartphone on its own. A video showing the process of creating Apple Mix 2.0 can be viewed on the Chinese platform Bilibili. And that's all for now. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you!